Cut out your scavenger hunt sheet. Glue the scavenger hunt sheet to the bag. Tie a string from the bag handle to the pencil. On a nice day, see how many items on the list you can find. When you see one, circle it with your pencil. Use the bag to bring home anything you want to study later. Biology is the scientific study of living things. There are more than 10 million species of living things on Earth. They range in size from microscopic bacteria to huge blue whales and towering redwood trees. Living things also differ greatly in where and how they live. From the World Book Online Student.